I'm pleased to report that we have issued accreditation to 14 local and international observer missions, totaling 453 individuals. Additionally, we have also accredited 13 local media houses, representing 592 individuals, including 5 freelance journalists. Furthermore, we have accredited 19 diplomatic missions, representing 149 individuals, as well as 3 independent youthful local observers, and these ones are university students doing political science. As international observers, your role in observing and supporting these processes is pivotal. Your insights and feedback you provide help reinforce the credibility of our electoral processes and strengthens our democracy. As an election management body, we take with seriousness the recommendations by observers. During the post-election review of an election, we always consider the recommendations and reflect on the recommendations that we could possibly adopt. I can assure you that the Commission has implemented a number of reforms drawing from the recommendations made by observers. We are continuously learning and re-engineering our processes and systems to deliver the best product. We welcome your engagement and encourage your continued support as we move towards this critical phase.